In this tutorial, we'll explain how to connect your Cryptohopper account to HTX. We'll demonstrate how to do this on a desktop, but you can also follow these steps in the app. Step 1. Head to the exchange website and either log in or create a new account. Step 2. Click on your profile located in the upper right-hand corner, then select API Management. Step 3. Assign a memorable name to your API key, enable the trade option, and whitelist the IP addresses displayed in your Cryptohopper account. Step 4. Click on Create and ensure to check the risk reminder checkboxes. Complete the 2FA process. Step 5. Copy both the API key and API secret shown on HTX. Paste them into the corresponding fields on Cryptohopper. You're now ready to proceed with creating your trading bot. You might encounter an error in Cryptohopper's onboarding process when connecting to HTX, even if your API keys are correct. The most common reasons include having no funds in your exchange account, having no funds in your trading account, as some crypto exchanges differentiate between funding and trading accounts, or not being a verified exchange user, KYC. In this case, please click on Continue without testing. You can always check your API keys later in your base config. Another common cause is autofill being enabled in your browser. To fix this, try disabling autofill using incognito mode, switching to a different browser, or disabling your password manager. For more information, you can watch our Cryptohopper Academy video on this subject or check our troubleshooting article.